Imagine this. You're spending years of your life, thousands of dollars, and endless late nights, all for an education system that's secretly failing you. Right now, in 2025, we're still trapped in a relic from the 1800s, a factory designed to churn out obedient workers, not free thinkers. This isn't just a problem, it's a crisis. Stick around, because in the next 5 minutes, I'm exposing what's broken and revealing how we fix it. Ready to rethink everything you've been taught? Let's dive in. First up, the assembly line. Picture a factory, rows of identical products, no room for creativity. That's your education. It started in Prussia, spread to the US in the 1840s, and hasn't budged since. Kids sorted by age, not ability, fed the same lessons, tested like robots. Why? To make you fit society's mold. Good little workers for the industrial age. Sound inspiring? Yeah, didn't think so. Wait, are we still educating for steam engines? Spoiler, we're not. Yet this outdated system lingers, and it's suffocating your potential. But hold on, why is it still here? The answer's coming. Now, here's where it gets wild. Education splits you into 2 lanes, academic or vocational. One's for the smart kids, the other's for the workers. It's the factory model on steroids. 2 product lines, 0 personalization. The rich get elite schools, the rest get a conveyor belt to mediocrity. And guess what? Plans like Project 2025 want to double down, dragging us back to a time when only the elite got real learning. Feeling a little fired up yet? Good, because this split's widening and your future's on the line. But can we break free? Keep watching. Here's the scary truth. This system isn't just boring, it's dangerous. It's churning out drones, not dreamers. Think about it. When's the last time school taught you to question, to create, to solve real problems? Instead, it's memorize, regurgitate, repeat. I mean, who needs critical thinking when you've got multiple choice tests, right? Wrong. We're stuck in a 19th century time warp while the world races ahead. If we don't act, we're cooked. But don't panic yet. There's a way out, and it's closer than you think. Enter the heroes. Jane Addams and John Dewey, over 100 years ago, saw the fix. Addams said education should lift everyone, listening to students, not lecturing at them. Dewey took it further. Learning's a tool to solve problems, not a script to follow. Imagine classrooms where you're not a passive sponge, but an active creator, asking questions, debating, shaping your world. Sound too good to be true? It's not. It's just been ignored. And that's where the next piece clicks in. Then came Paulo Freire, who called this mess the banking model. Teachers deposit facts, you withdraw them. No thinking required. He fought for education that empowers, that wakes you up to your own power. Picture this. Instead of being a cog, you're a change maker. Freire proved it works, lifting Brazil's poorest through learning that matters. So why aren't we doing this? The system's scared of you waking up. But what if you did? What could you become? Hang tight. We're almost there. So, here's the deal. Education's broken because it's stuck in the past. Factory lines, split tracks, banking vibes. But you can demand more. Push for learning that's alive, personal, creative, bold. Start small. Question everything. Seek real skills. Own your growth. We can ditch this relic and build something epic, together. Oh, and if you're fired up to level up your life, check out my self-improvement video next. Hit that end screen. Let's make education work for us, not against us. See you there.